If you're currently wondering how to quit porn, let me assure you, you're not alone. In this video, we discuss the ever-trending topic of internet porn addiction. And how could you get rid of it? People across the globe are known to be suffering from internet porn addiction. A recent study states that around 33% of males aged between the ages of 16 to 34 are addicted to high-speed internet porn. And this figure is growing every day, as more and more people get access to the internet worldwide. Here are some symptoms of porn addiction, that is lethargy, and lack of motivation, chronic ejaculation dysfunction, declining interest in real partner, brain fog and concentration problems, social anxiety, and emotional numbness. All the conditions and symptoms are significantly removed when the sufferer ceases to watch internet pornography. Because chronic porn consumption alters the reward circuits in the brain from a chemical and structural standpoint, as explained by modern neuroscientists and researchers conducting various studies on this addiction. We are all aware that quitting porn can be a rough road to go down. Sometimes the struggle is just so long and relentless that it might seem like the easiest thing to do is just quit trying and continue to live life as a chronic porn consumer. But quitting porn doesn't have to be so complicated. It's going to take some intentional work. But if you're truly determined, you'll soon find yourself on the road to self-improvement. Watch the 7 tips and tricks in our specially curated guide to quit porn forever. Number 1. Believing you can break the habit is half the battle. It is a powerful driver of change. A great number of studies have shown that people who believe in themselves and believe that change is possible have more success replacing addictions and entrenched bad habits than those who don't believe they can change. Wanting to give up porn is key to being successful, and it is the first step in this case. It allows you space to plan on how to give up, as you can focus your attention and motivation away from the addiction itself, towards efforts to break and combat the addiction. The second one is, write down your goals and create a plan of action. This might seem like a small step, but it is one of the most powerful actions you can take. The third one is, you need to get rid of all your porn, what is called a thorough sweep. Throw away every article or object, anything you have used as pornography, and clean out your computer and drive. The fourth one is, block all entry points for pornographic content. Install a porn blocker and accountability software like Blockworks on your phone, computer, and any other devices owned by you. Unsubscribe from all porn websites, every provider you're aware of. The fifth is, mindfulness meditation, a technique with a strong body of evidence and research to back its effectiveness. It increases dopamine levels by 65%, which helps combat the chronically low dopamine levels from which addicts suffer. The sixth one is to make yourself accountable to a friend or a family member on a daily basis, with regard to your porn usage. If you consume porn in any form of content, set a consequence for yourself. You could do sit-ups, run 10 laps, and sweep dry leaves in the nearest park for a few hours. The seventh one is, don't aim to be Mr. Perfect. Jumping into the mess and trying to fix everything at once will leave you overwhelmed and stressed. This makes this journey tougher than it has to be. Learn to accept the fact that you might relapse, you might even fail the first time. Remember to live your life in the real world and not in the world of porn, where everything is staged. If you don't personally have a problem with porn, hope this video helped you look at it from a different perspective. The current generation's view of porn seems quite one-dimensional. To be in better touch with reality, it's always great to have a look at the other side of things, just like how we try to spread awareness about the drawbacks of the other vices in the society, encouraging people to make better, more informed choices about the use of these products. We need to start doing the same with porn. Even if you personally don't have a problem with porn, you might know someone who does, and if you're a parent, it's good for parents to openly talk to their kids about it, to ensure it's not something they mindlessly fall into at a young age with extremely impressionable minds. At the end of the day, that should be the goal for all of us, to enjoy pornography mindfully, in moderation.